Hi lovely people, hope you're doing fine. I am Joy Chosen, or aka Why Not, all the way from the Why Not Show. The Why Not Show is an inspirational show where we motivate, inspire and promote inspirational or upcoming entrepreneurs or artists, anyone that wants to be promoted, anyone that wants to inspire people. We are always here for you. And it is not just words. Today we've decided to come as teachers or trainers or tutors, because we have a lot of challenges as vloggers or entrepreneurs. You may be an entrepreneur and you want your work to go online, but you don't have anywhere to do it. So today, and you don't have a laptop. For instance, my laptop was stolen, but I still had to continue doing my projects and taking them on TV. And what I do, there's an app that I use that I'm going to show you right about some time to come, and that app helps you to do your videos with no watermarks. But hey, before I give you my link to that app where you can use or you can edit your videos with no watermark, you're going to first subscribe, and then when I get the confirmation, you just send the text and a screenshot that you subscribe to my WhatsApp number that I'm going to give you, and I'll be sending you that app fully cracked with no watermark. And let's dive into our first lecture of the day. Okay, so hey lovely people, as I promised you, I'll be showing you what this looks like. I'm just going to take you to the first things you need to do. Of course, as I said, you first subscribe, and then I send you a link and you can install a Kinemaster that looks like this. That is how it looks like. And after that, I'm just going to take you to straight where the app is. As I told you, my laptop was stolen and I had to do projects, and I still have to do projects. So did I have to sit there and wait for a new laptop or till I get money to buy another one? No, there are apps like just this one that I'm going to show you that are compatible with any phone. I mean any phone, though some phones are really bad, but make sure you get a good phone. So with any phone, and you can edit your work from there with no watermark. You realize that a lot of Kinemaster users have watermarks on the side, like around here when they do their videos on the side, but mine doesn't have a watermark, and I'm going to just show you how. So this is just a first tutorial of how the Kinemaster looks like. I'll have to explain in detail a lot of things, but you can see as I scroll down that I've been doing quite a lot of projects using Kinemaster. Most of my projects, most in fact, some were just deleted because I didn't have space on my phone, but most of the projects are done here. When I travel, projects are there. When I zoom, projects are there. When I get adverts, projects are there. When I get co-singers, projects are there. Like everything is there. Everything, like everything. I mean everything. News, everything is there. So yeah, everything is there. So realize that this is not just an app for me, but it is where I do my business and where I do my work, and I also help my other friends just like her to do her YouTube work. So this is what it looks like when you want to open. Let me just slide this here. When you want to open the Kinemaster, this is what you do. Just a minute. Okay, so you just go to that where I've tapped, and then you press it. And it is advisable, if you really do YouTube vlogs or anything like that, it is advisable to use 16:9, and that is what I'm going to open. So you open that. That is how it all looks like when you get into Kinemaster. Let me just slide this here. Yeah, so that you can see everything. So it looks like that when you get into Kinemaster, and there are a lot of functions that you see. There is this where you put your main media, and then if you want something on top of that, there is that. When you want some audio in the background, there is that. When you want voiceover on a clip, there is that. And a lot of different things where you can play your audio. You know how to use that, and a lot of these functions. I mean, those functions. You know why they are important in Kinemaster. So basically, I'm just showing you the first steps that you need to know, the first things that you need to do. And every Saturday, I'll be uploading different tutorials on how to use Kinemaster and grow your brand or your business or your YouTube channel, because most of the businesses are now online. And yeah, that's what's up. So yeah, I stayed your chosen, and make sure you tune into this channel daily for inspirations, but also for the tutorials. I'll be coming every Saturday and I show you how to do tutorials, how to do your videos, how to add subscriptions, likes. Please subscribe to my channel, how to add that, how to add different voices, like different audios, how to add different videos, how to add layers, how to fade the video, how to fade the audio, like how to put transitions, how to put 3D, how to write the text, how everything that you need to know about Kinemaster, I will be bringing it just about soon. Love you and bye.